Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Thanks so much for being part. Today I'm going to share my beans recipe with you. We are going to have Gɔbɛ, yes, Gari and beans, and you are going to love it, every bit of it. So just try this recipe and you will love it. Please share, like and subscribe to this channel. And so first separate the bad ones from the good ones, that's the beans. So just go through it and do your separation very well, and after wash it very well. I wash it for about 3 times. Now you can decide to soak the beans overnight. When you do that, it takes the gas from it, so that when you eat it you don't feel any gas in your stomach. So I didn't soak it overnight, rather I soak it for about 3 to 4 hours before cooking it. You can also decide to cook it straight away and that will be okay. And so make sure that you wash it very well and you take every form of dirt from it, and the bad ones that will come on the surface of the water, you take them out. Okay, so we are going to wash it after 3 hours to 4 hours. We have washed it and it's on fire now. Okay, so the other ingredient that we are going to use include sliced onions and tomatoes. We are also going to blend the tomato seeds with the tomato head. With the tomato head. I have garlic, ginger, pepper, onions, natural mixed spices, and Dawadawa. Have you tried Dawadawa in your bean sauce before? So I'm going to add the tomato seeds into the blender and then other ingredients to it. Blend everything smoothly. Okay, we are going to check on our beans. Yes, you know, these beans, it doesn't take long to cook, so it's well cooked. And so we just take it off fire and we'll pour our blended ingredient into our palm oil, our red oil already on fire. Add a little bit of water to it and then stir it all together. Please subscribe, share this video for me, okay? Subscribe, like and share, and when you subscribe, click on the notification bell. It helps. Whenever I upload a new video, you will see, it will notify you. And so at this point, while the blended ingredients have cooked a bit, we are adding our tomatoes also to it. Stir everything together, give it a little bit of water to loosen up and help it to cook very well. You wouldn't want your sauce to burn. Okay, so we're going to cover and allow it to cook very well. So we are checking on it again and stir. Please subscribe, like these videos, follow me on TikTok also, MaxGH, and follow me there and let's TikTok together. So I'm adding salt to it. I'll add a bit more. You know, the beans, I didn't add salt to the cooking of the beans, so it means I'm going to increase the salt that I'll add to the sauce because there's no salt in the beans. Okay, and so we'll stir everything, add our all-purpose seasoning to it and then stir it together. So please like this video, comment and share for me. Give this beans method a try and you will love it. You know, we have 2 ways of preparing Gɔbɛ, and so this is another way of preparing the beans. Okay, you can also prepare the beans in a different way. I'll bring you a video on that later. Okay, and so at this point we will stir it up and we are going to, the stew is almost ready, so we are going to add our cooked beans to it. We are going to add our cooked beans. Try Gɔbɛ, preparing your bean sauce with Dawadawa, and you are going to love it. Try it, you will love it. Okay, so add everything to it. And then stir it together, and then we'll cover and give it time for it to cook very well. Please click on the notification bell when you subscribe and click on it so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified and come and check on it. Okay, so we are checking on our sauce now, stirring it together. Again, I added a bit of water to it because it was too thick for me. You know, bean sauce, if it's too thick while it's hot, bear in mind that when it cools down it's going to be more thick. So I increased the quantity of the salt because when I tasted, the salt wasn't enough. So this one is too thick, so I decided to add water. But before then, I added my onions to it, the sliced onions. I always love to see onions in my food, so usually my sliced onions are the last thing that I add to my sauces. So like I said, I added water to it. That was off camera, and so I just wanted it a bit liquid, so that when it cools down, it will definitely thicken up. Okay, and so the beans is almost ready. Yes, it's ready. At this point, it's ready. Abe 100% well cooked. And so just take it off fire, and then we are going to work on our plantain. And so just wash our red plantain or ripe plantain very well, and then we are going to peel it and then slice it into the sizes and shape that we want. Okay, so that's what we are doing now. So just as our usual way of slicing it in Ghana. So if you are watching me and you are not a Ghanaian, this beans and gari with plantain, fried plantain, is one of our favorites in Ghana. Especially the guys, they would die for this food. So our oil is already on fire, very hot. But before then, we're going to add salt and water to it. You know, the salt that I'm using is a stone type. So if you sprinkle it on it without water, you choose salt. Okay, so the oil is already hot and we are frying our plantain. So just give it time, stir so that it doesn't get burnt. Please subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Like this video, comment and share. And when you subscribe, click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. We are done frying the first batch. We are frying the second batch also. And very soon we will be done with the second batch also. So that's what you are doing now, and we are almost done. Please follow me on TikTok, MaxGH, okay? And on Facebook is Ajoa Aka. So let's do this together. Share the video for me. Help Max Kitchen to grow. So we are done with frying the second batch also. So our red plantain or ripe plantain is ready to be served with our bean sauce or bean stew and gari. And so if you are not Ghanaian and you don't know what gari is, it's cassava, grated cassava that has been fried. So the white thing, we call it gari in Ghana, and Nigerians too, they call it gari. And so you just cassava, they grate it, squeeze the water and fry, and the taste is so nice. Thanks so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video. Bye bye.